If I need to move, I will.
It's gonna be in my way.
Oh shit.
No,
Oh fuck.
He's fucked already.
I fucked it.
Oh,
Cut the video, guys.
Still recording, buddy.
End it. I can see that.
Right. Where did you put my little bag?
It's in the
Nice.
The peel. So satisfying. Jeez. This looks like official.
Yeah.
It's hella official.
Race car,
Well
innit?
done. Make sure everyone's got manual.
Adam, show us how we can't get in the house.
Just try it, you want it.
Get through the letterbox, Adam.
Climb through the letterbox.
One door.
We've got the toilet with all the buttons.
Robot toilet.
Robot toilet.
Look.
What's the bidet button? Do that.
Hello, I am the toilet.
Do the bidet thing.
Hello, I'm ready to probe your ass.
Okay.
Nightlight. Put the light on then.
Somebody pissed on the light, it doesn't work anymore.
Close. Goodbye.
We had to wake up at 4:45 today, so it's definitely an early start. So we're just warming up the cars now and then gonna head to the track.
Smoking.
That's bad, it's kind of like what mine is.
Currently in the pit lanes, cars all set up.
He's so cute.
Yes.
Oh, he sped up a little bit.
I can see Adam and Sophie in the reflection.
No, that's got to be bags, right?
Static. I know it's not that car who's got to run it.
RB25 versus 1.6. Garage 500 drivers, we've got Harry Penny and then 350 horsepower. Next up, we've got Harry Franklin and Liam Musselwhite, Liam in the 718. Starting Gloss S15 and Jake Crouch from 365 Performance, being chased out by Dave Bassett and the DB Nathan Chivers, being chased in by George Barkley, making sure it's going to deliver.
It's 4 PM now. We've just finished watching the drifting, so we're gonna head home because it's gonna be a long journey. The traffic. It's gonna take us like an hour to get out of here, so it's 8 PM now. I finally made it back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video of Japfest. Yeah, I'm gonna go have a nap because I'm knackered.